just, like by the beginning. Yeah, the part of the wheel is the numbers. Yeah, so of course, like, we can call it Dreamcatcher as well. 2000 winners this time. Number one and was like with the 2x multi as well. Like, so at this one, congratulations, thank you. It's okay because everything you're in the morning betting in the numbers. Last time you came here, you gave 2000x before you end your game. Yep, that's what I was talking about as well. Cash and 7x in this one. Are you happy that you didn't give a bonus? Not really, but like it is what it is, This time the cash hand was 7x. Look at this. Right now, just only one thing what we need. 500x or a lot of hundreds. And mwah. Okay. Looks not so bad as well, like a lot of 50s there. 50 and a 7, it's like 350. That's righty. And so a lot of 350, 700x, what is possible as well, like to found it out. So people, yeah, of course, dancing, winning, a mini. So people, everything is super simple. Wall, 108 symbols, different symbols on it. You need to do what? You need to choose only one from all these wall. Once again, repeating you, like only one from the oldies wall. After that, it will be like flippity flop, and it will flip it up with some of the multiplier for you. So, bang, bang, bang. Here we go, and the 700x is on the middle here. 40 people who are going to get it this time, and wow, 7,000.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.